Hello from the 2019 Global Legal Hackathon Finals in New York City. My name is Laurence Colletti. I'm the host for today's show, and I have a big, giant panel here joining me at the Gala Finals here for the Global Legal Hackathon. And so we've got 5 people to introduce, and I'm going to start to my left. And your name is?
Roxana.
Where are you from, Roxana?
I'm from Romania, and I'm a lawyer.
A lawyer? Okay,
yeah.
Excellent. And who's sitting next to you?
My name is Roxana. I'm also a lawyer, a litigator, actually.
So we have 2 Roxanas.
Yeah.
Are you guys from the same town?
Yes, from the same town.
Okay. Did you guys go to school together?
No.
Okay. Did you guys know each other before the hackathon?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Who's sitting next to you?
Hello, I'm Eduard Mirica, and I'm a game developer.
Game developer. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
And where are you from?
I'm from a town near Bucharest, our place where Lawrelai started.
And who's the gentleman sitting next to you?
Hi, my name is Tudor. I'm also a lawyer, and I'm very proud to be part of this team. Probably we will win this contest.
I like that. I like the confidence. All right, who's sitting next to you?
Hi, my name is Petrus Balasa. I'm a programmer.
So we got a couple lawyers, a programmer, a video gamer, a video game engineer.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Well, the name of your team is Legal Shapers, and so I don't know much about your product, so who wants to tell me the basics?
I'll tell you. Our product is Lawrelai, law-related AI, and is a chatbot that helps tourists when they encounter legal issues during their trips abroad. So, for instance, if you got robbed, or you lost your passport, or you want to know the age for drinking alcohol, Lawrelai helps you figure out this stuff for free. If your problem exceeds the database of Lawrelai, then you'll pay an additional fee for additional information. And if your problem is very difficult, then Lawrelai puts you in contact with a local lawyer nearby who will help you with your case.
How does it know where you are?
You will turn on your location, and Lawrelai figures out where you are.
Where does the information come from? So you've got, obviously you're in a jurisdiction, the laws get into a database and you can ask it some questions, I'm assuming.
It will have a database for each country we will launch it in. We'll launch it first in Thailand, so we'll have a database with legal information on Thailand.
The legal information is prepared by local lawyers, and it is verified legal information, so it's not just gathered on the internet.
And you said it'll contact legal professionals. So who are those people? How did you guys get in contact with them?
We have strict criteria for their selection, and we contacted major law firms in Thailand. We already have a confirmation from a major law firm in Thailand who intends to work with us. And we basically thought about professional lawyers with a lot of experience and with a lot of coverage in one country.
Give me an example of just some issues that you mentioned drinking, but underage drinking or whatnot. But give me some issues of like a sticky trap that someone coming to a different country has never been there before can get into.
What country do you want to visit next?
Let's go to what is the most restrictive country you can think of?
Let's say, for example, the Emirates. So in the Emirates, drinking is basically the biggest issue. But for example, you want to go with your girlfriend in the Emirates. So you want to book a hotel. But maybe you do not know that you are not allowed to share a room with your girlfriend, except if you are actually married or in a contractual binding relationship. So maybe if you just go and book it on Booking without a marriage certificate, you'll be fined.
Okay, so if I get off the plane with a beer keg and my girlfriend and we're going to go to a hotel, the app will tell me that's not a good idea, and then it'll recommend next steps?
Depending on your questions, depending on what you intend to actually do, the app will tell you what is okay and what is not okay. And if your questions exceed our legal database, then you will be redirected to a lawyer, to a local lawyer.
So basically using natural language processing and artificial intelligence algorithms, Lawrelai will identify your issue and give you advice on your specific issue.
Do you type it in? Do you speak it in? Or does it do both? Or
for the moment, you type it in.
Okay. Whose idea was this?
It was the team's idea.
The team's idea? Who's the team leader?
I am.
You're the team leader? Okay. And then, so you guys have been working together for how long now?
2 months.
2 months?
Yeah.
Is there interest in taking this to the next level, turn it into a business?
from our part, of course, there is a major interest in taking it to the next level. And we already contacted several partners, from travel agencies to lawyers in the first country where we want to launch it. So there is interest also with third parties to become partners with Lawrelai.
Well, I just have one last question. I know you've got to get off and run. You got to do your last presentation. And good luck, by the way.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So if our listeners, they want to reach out, they want to learn more about your product, how can they find you?
On Facebook Messenger, search for Lawrelai, Lawerai, law-related AI, basically, and chat with Lawrelai. Lawrelai will help you with your legal issues.
Awesome, awesome. Well, we've reached the end of the road for today's episode. I want to thank our guests for joining us today. Thank you, Legal Shapers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
We also want to thank our listeners for tuning in. If you like what you heard, please subscribe, rate, and review us on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, or your favorite podcasting app. I'm Laurence Colletti, signing off from the 2019 Global Legal Hackathon Finals Gala. Until next time, thank you for listening.
If you'd like more information about what you've heard today, please visit LegalTalkNetwork.com. Subscribe via iTunes and RSS. Find us on Twitter and Facebook, or download our free Legal Talk Network app in Google Play and iTunes. The views expressed by the participants of this program are their own and do not represent the views of, nor are they endorsed by, Legal Talk Network, its officers, directors, employees, agents, representatives, shareholders, and subsidiaries. None of the content should be considered legal advice. As always, consult a lawyer.